How to recover TikTok messages. First off, launch the TikTok application and make sure that you're logged in with your TikTok account. Once you're logged in, now tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. And once you're on your profile page, navigate to top right corner and tap on the hamburger icon. From this pop-up box, tap on Settings and Privacy. Here, tap on Account and then tap on Download your data. Here, make sure you have chosen text as the file format, and after that tap on Request Data. Here, your data request is being processed and you have to wait until your file is ready for download, which will be available for 4 days. So once the data is ready, you will receive the file in your mail. TikTok will send all your requested file in your mail. You can go and check out there once you get the notification from TikTok. And then you can recover your TikTok messages. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.